Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this BFC espresso machine, and we replaced the heating element on this. Let's give it a full shot. There's a fair amount of vibration noise with this machine. I tried to get some of it out, but it's really difficult because there's so much there's so much sheet metal on it. Also, the customer's going to put new feet on it, but you can see how the feet aren't touching the ground and it wobbles, so that also contributes to the vibration. What else? That's actually a bit, that's a part of it. But yeah, it just has I think it's very likely that once the feet situation is resolved, that'll be better. I was able to I noticed there was some really bad vibration here under these two parts, and I put some foam rubber under there to help, and that did make it better. But other than that, the feet aren't easy to adjust, so I figured since the customer's going to put new feet on it anyways, it's not really worth it for me to try adjusting it. And test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot. Oh, I can't test the hot water because the hot water switch isn't working. We're waiting for that to come in, and we're gonna give it to the customer once it comes in. But it's gonna take a little bit, so we're gonna just have the machine ready here. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.